Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share how to make Banga rice. Guys, this recipe was so delicious, and I know you're going to love this recipe. So if you want to know how I came up with this yummy recipe, continue watching as I share. So here I have banga. I'll be washing this banga very well, then I'll be cooking it and I'll be pounding it to get the concentrate. So, and the next ingredient I have on my list here is bomo. That's cow skin. So make sure you scrape the back of your bomo and wash. All right, and this is already tender. I don't need to pre-cook it. All right, so the next ingredient I have here is ground crayfish. All right, so this is ground crayfish. I'll be adding ground crayfish to this recipe. Here I have local spices, guys. Trust local spices. So I'll be using these local spices to prepare this. I'll be pounding this into a powdered form, and we'll be using it to prepare this delicious banga rice. The next is here I have smoked fish. This smoked fish is dried, like well dried, and I prefer this. All right, so I'll be washing it with salt water and I'll be deboning the fish. So this is scent leaf. This scent leaf is also fresh, as you guys can see it. I'll be washing and I'll be shredding this scent leaf. I also have here onion. I'll be chopping the onions, then I'll be adding salt to taste, and I'll be using fresh pepper. Fresh pepper is also to taste. All right, and I also have seasoning cube here. So here is the rice. This is 4 cups of rice. So I'll be washing it and I'll be parboiling the rice. So this is the palm fruit concentrate. So this is what we'll be using to cook this delicious banga rice. So I have chopped onions added. This is coarsely blended fresh pepper. The fish, that is the smoked fish I showed you guys earlier, well deboned. Crayfish. This is the local spices, well grounded. I'm adding seasoning cube. Salt. As you guys can see, I'm stirring everything together. And make sure you taste for salt. If it needs more salt, you add. So I'm adding more salt because it needs salt. So I'm going to cover and leave. So guys, this is it after like 15 to 20 minutes of boiling. And like I said, I've parboiled the rice. I parboiled the rice for 5 minutes, so it's still very hard boiled. So I'm adding it to the boiling palm fruit concentrate. So stir, and we'll be leaving it to cook. So guys, this is it. This recipe is so easy to prepare. So easy. So our rice is almost ready and well cooked. Guys, you need to try this out. So the last thing we'll be adding is the scent leaf, and we'll be giving it a good mix and leave it for 2 more minutes to be fully ready. Guys, make sure you try this recipe out. Like I always tell you, you're going to love this. It was so delicious. So delicious. This is our rice. Delicious and easy Banga rice. Delicious, guys. Make sure you try this recipe out. You're going to love it. The local spice took it to another level. This is so delicious. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this delicious Banga rice. Bye bye.